From sun-ripened orchards to a state-of-the-art facility, witness how fresh mangoes are transformed. Watch as fresh mangoes are carefully peeled and pulped inside the mango juice factory. The final stages, turning fresh mangoes into perfectly packaged. Fresh mangoes begin their journey into the modern mango juice factory. Thousands of premium quality fresh mangoes are received daily at this facility. Only the finest fresh mangoes are selected for premium mango juice. Advanced technology ensures gentle handling of every fresh mango. Rigorous inspection guarantees only top-grade fresh mango. This is where fresh mangoes start their transformation into premium mango juice. Hygiene and efficiency define every step for fresh mangoes in this factory. Fresh mangoes are now ready for thorough cleaning and preparation. Fresh mangoes undergo intensive washing inside the mango juice factory. Thorough cleaning prepares fresh mangoes for premium mango juice production. Advanced sorters ensure only the best fresh mangoes proceed further. Human expertise combined with technology maintains superior quality. Every fresh mango is carefully evaluated for premium mango juice. Precision sorting is the foundation of pure premium mango juice. This mango juice factory handles massive volumes of fresh mangoes efficiently. Fresh mangoes are now perfectly prepared for peeling and pulping. Fresh mangoes enter the high-tech peeling stage in the mango juice factory. Advanced peelers transform fresh mangoes into clean fruit for premium mango juice. Hygienic peeling ensures the highest quality for pure premium mango juice. This mango juice factory peels fresh mangoes with remarkable speed and precision. Seeds are carefully extracted from fresh mangoes for pure pulp. Fresh mangoes are now ready to become premium mango juice. Peeling and deseeding are critical steps for superior mango juice. Prepared fresh mangoes are ready for juice extraction. Fresh mangoes are expertly pulped for premium mango juice extraction. Rich mango pulp is the heart of pure premium mango juice. This mango juice factory extracts thousands of liters of premium mango juice every hour. Maximum juice is extracted from every fresh mango with precision. Pure mango juice flows smoothly toward filtration stages. Strict monitoring ensures consistent quality of premium mango juice. These tanks hold pure premium mango juice, ready for further processing. Extracted mango juice is now prepared for refining and packaging. Fresh mango juice is carefully filtered for smooth, premium quality. Filtration ensures pure and consistent premium mango juice. Pasteurization locks in the natural taste of premium mango juice. Precise temperature control protects the quality of premium mango juice. Fresh mango juice is refined to achieve perfect premium balance. This premium mango juice is now ready for packaging. Every batch of premium mango juice undergoes strict quality tests. The transformation of fresh mangoes into premium mango juice is nearly complete. Premium mango juice is professionally filled inside the mango juice factory. Attractive packaging preserves the freshness of premium mango juice. This is the complete journey. Fresh mangoes to world-class premium mango juice.